Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Honestly, this intro needs to be nice and short because I look crazy. Let's get into this chit chat. Get ready with me. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the button down below because it's free. And do you need any other reason? And if you're already subscribed, thank you for clicking on another video. So let's get right into this. I need to get myself together. I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram. I'm actually not going anywhere. I just wanna get ready. I have a new wig that I got from My Lisa Hair, My Lisa Hair. You guys have probably heard of it on YouTube. I've definitely heard of it before, and this is just my first time trying it out. So I'm gonna get ready and style this a lot better. And then I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram and go on with my day. So thank you for joining me today. If you have anywhere to go tonight, grab your makeup, let's sit, let's chat, let's do our stuff together. My skin has been so crazy these past few days, so honestly, I'm just gonna move right on. So I'm going in with my Makeup Forever foundation. I have not done a get ready with me in a while, so I definitely missed it. I feel like I've been doing so many natural hair videos, which is great. I love doing natural hair videos, obviously, because that's what my channel's about. Sometimes it gets exhausting and you'll see my natural hair disappear for a bit, which is like now. It's under this wig and it's not coming off for a hot minute. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the color NW50. How's life? Let me know what's going on with you guys, what's new. For me, I have been a little bit MIA on social media when it comes to Instagram, just because my life has actually been so busy in a really good way. So my life has been really busy in a great way. God has been just really surprising me in so many different ways. So I'm blessed and I'm happy, and my Instagram has been so dry because I have been just doing a lot of stuff in my real life. So it's a blessing because that means things are going on, but it just sucks that sometimes I don't get the chance to share everything. So I look crazy. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I shared recently that I booked my first movie ever. I booked my first movie ever. Okay, well, technically not my first movie ever, but my first, I guess, legit movie or paying movie. And also an ACTRA movie. So now I am a part of the Actors Union. I'm very happy about that. So God has been so good and I'm just grateful. My hands are hella ashy. Other than that, I've just been, working on auditions and working on obviously growing my YouTube channel. We're almost at 100K and I'm trying to push towards that so we can get there sooner. And I'm just trying to be consistent with everything that I'm doing. I also work sometimes on the weekends at MAC. So that's also fun. I'm just trying to get things together, you know? I'm to a lot of stuff, and something that I want to share with you guys very soon, but I'm still getting things together, so I haven't talked about it just yet. If you can guess what it is that I'm talking about, that I'm up to, that I don't want to talk about yet, the first person to guess, I will I will make a little natural hair giveaway package for you if you live either in Toronto, which is amazing. I'll probably drop it off myself. Or if you live in Canada and US, I will have to keep it local just because it's so last minute and to make it easier. So if you guess what this secret thing that I'm up to or what this secret exciting news is, we will talk, and I will send you a package of goodies just because you're a real one and you're probably, you know, keeping your eyes open for all the hits. So if you can guess what it is that I'm gonna share with you guys in like a month or so, very exciting news. You'll win a box. You'll win a free thing of products. I don't know. Comment down below, let me know what you think it is, and we'll see who guesses it first. There's probably gonna be a bunch of the same guesses, but whoever says it first wins. That's it. So other than that, I have been very happy, honestly. I've just been all over the place, like I said, trying to keep my ish together, you know? Man, this is a crazy looking process. So I just cleaned up my eyebrows with my Makeup Forever concealer in the color 52, and I'm just gonna blend it out. It's funny because I always thought that when things are going like, well, like I'd always be ready and able to share with you guys as it's happening, but I've been so caught up in life itself. So I'm here, I'm just really busy in the best way, thankfully. And you know, nothing is ever easy, so I just try to stay positive about what I'm doing and what's going on, because no matter what I'm doing in life, it's never gonna be a breeze. Like, you gotta work hard for what you want, and you know, you have to do it while you can. I don't want to be doing this when I have 3 kids and my knees are tired and my back is, you know, like, I need to do this while I'm physically capable and I have the means to, and I have the strength, thankfully, and the health, thankfully. So I'm just, you know, living life, and I'm trying to bring you guys on the process with me, on the journey with me. And if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel just to document your life, I feel like that is the best thing to do. Like, even if you're not doing it necessarily for views and stuff, like, just pick up your camera and do video diaries and keep it in your phone, or post them if you feel like it might help somebody, because it is so great to be able to share your ups and downs, whether it's to yourself or if it's to other people to help inspire them. You should never be ashamed of your journey, even if it's not perfect, because my journey has definitely been slow, long, and just sometimes confusing, and I'm okay with that, you know, and I just hope that at the end of the day it will inspire somebody. So yeah, I'm here just working. And I feel like the last time I did a video like this, I was very kind of in the slow place where I was like, you know, I don't really know what's going on, but I'm gonna push through. And now I feel like I'm a bit more, not at the high, not at the peak, not at the very tippy top, but I am going up. You know, I am finding a way, and I'm holding on to my faith, and my work is showing itself, if that makes sense. The fruits of my labor, I guess, is what it is. Okay, so with this hair, I'm gonna secure it with some Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I did that yesterday and it looked really cute, so I just want to recreate that. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna get more into like fitness stuff, not on here, but like just in my life. I just want to be fit and healthy. I need my abs. Like, this year, this is a year for rock hard abs. Sometimes, Kate, you know what's been inspiring me? Like, in the future, when I am ready to have kids, I need to have abs before that, because I'm seeing these moms on Instagram who their pregnant bellies look so good, and I'm like, how does it look so good? And then I go to their page and I scroll down and I see that they had rock hard abs before they got pregnant, and I was like, I see you, I see you. Their stomachs are so full and strong and just propped. I was like, wow. Because sometimes you can really tell like somebody's lifestyle or how they were keeping up with their bodies. Even when they're pregnant, even though they have grown, you can still see the strength in their stomach and in, oh. I was like, wow, this is the time that I need to be working on my abs, when I don't have to worry about stuff like that, you know? I want a stomach like that one day. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day what your stomach looks like, as long as the child is healthy, but I'm definitely gonna keep that in mind. It's honestly so nice to take a break from natural hair videos. I have been really getting out natural hair content, which is great because I know that is what the majority of the people here like to watch. But man, sometimes I'm like, can I just leave my hair in some cornrows for 2 weeks? But I go through waves. There's weeks where I work with my hair a lot more, and there's weeks where I just don't have time to take it out of my dookie braids. This looks great. I'm using this Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner in the hair to kind of bring out the waves. But as I mentioned, I'm gonna put this into a ponytail, a high ponytail. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys about the movie itself. I don't know if I can even say much, because it hasn't, I don't know if I can say much, but I can say that it's a Christmas movie. It's a Christmas movie, it's a TV movie, and yeah. Just had to change my top from a little Instagram picture. I wanted to do something a bit brighter instead of what I usually do. This hair is a natural wave, and it's actually like, I feel like it's a bit curlier than the usual natural wave, so I like that. So Lord willing, in the next year, you know, I will obviously be growing in what I'm doing. You're gonna see me on Netflix. You're gonna see me on Hulu. You're gonna see me in theaters. It's a process, but it's been going well, so I'm happy about that. And just pray that I don't lose my passion, because it is not easy. It is really, really not easy to go for such, I guess, what the world would consider an unrealistic dream. So I'm happy with my journey though. So I'm gonna stick on some lashes, and then I'm gonna put on my signature lip that I will let you guys in on. Next week I'm doing a mukbang, for real, for real. I'm doing a mukbang, and I'm gonna answer some questions that I got in my email from you guys. They're very interesting. I have hair questions and personal questions, and I will answer them next week in my mukbang video. So if you have any questions for me, if you have any questions for me that are like personal, relationship, or life kind of related, you can send them to my email and I will answer them. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder and just dab my face. And then I'm gonna go in with some blush. Everything will be down below in the description box, because I use the same old ish that I've been using for ages. It's been a while since I actually sat down and talked to you guys without doing some nonsense with my hair. I think today's a success when it comes to the hair. So the lashes are still drying. I'm gonna start with the lip, the secret lip. Okay, so here we go. So I go in with my Chestnut lip liner from MAC. And then I'm going in with the AALYIAH, the MAC by AALYIAH lipstick in the color Try Again. Dust yourself off and try again. Then I blend it, obviously, and then I put on some clear lip gloss over top, like a good amount. That's why this lip gloss is basically brown now. So that is basically it. That's the lip, that's the foundation, that's the no eyeshadow. Hopefully my eyelashes don't look too crazy on camera, because that would be embarrassing, because I don't have any liner on it. But that's basically it. I'm gonna highlight my collarbones a bit with some Fenty highlighter, and that's it. I am Instagram photo shoot ready. So that is it. That is my quick get ready featuring my new water wave hair. I'll leave the info for this hair in the description box so you guys can check it out if you want to. It is, you know what I like about this though? The color is very great. So I didn't have to dye it, which is always nice. My elbow's ashy. Yeah, definitely. But I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys and give a little update and let you know I'm still here. Behind all the hair videos, I'm still here as myself, working on my life, and I don't know, I just felt a little bit out of touch with you guys. So hey, what's up? Comment down below, let me know what you are working on this month. If something amazing has happened, or if you've achieved a goal this month or in the past 3 months, comment down below. It is always good to speak on the good things you have done, even if it's the smallest thing. Find it in your heart, even if it's like, I ate healthy for 2 days and you're not used to that, congratulate yourself. If you incorporated something into your life that you have been trying to incorporate and you're on day 3, let me know. It's good to speak about all the things that you are accomplishing, even when they're this big, or if to you they are huge but to others it might not be that big. But don't downplay yourself. That's something I have learned recently. I am worth everything. I'm worth the payment, the time, the everything. So do not downgrade yourself. Don't downplay anything that you're achieving. Everything that you do is amazing. So if you have pushed yourself to be more active this week and that has been hard for you the past year or 3 months or whatever, pat yourself on the back. what? I find myself, even if I have done something amazing, I could be like, oh, well, it's just this. It's not just this, because 2 years ago, I would have wished that I had what I have now. So I try not to sugarcoat it. I won't say, oh, it's just this. Oh, I only have this. I'm moving up, I'm getting better, and I'm reaching goals that I've always wanted to reach. So now that I've reached them, it's not the time that you throw it aside. You show gratitude and you thank God or whatever you believe, or the universe. You thank whatever, you thank yourself if you want to. Whatever floats your boat, just make sure you give gratitude so you can be open to receiving more. When you're negative and you throw it aside, how can you get more? Oh my God, there is something in my eye. I think it's time for me to go. But yeah, anyways, that's it for my rant. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support. I know it sounds so lame, but I just really appreciate having a community on here that is so genuine and just cool, you know? Make sure you follow me on Instagram so we can stay connected, as I mentioned. Email me if you have any questions, life questions, or DM me. And again, if you can guess what thing that I am going to be sharing with you guys in the next month, what my exciting news is. If you can guess, the first person to guess will get a box of hair products. I don't actually know what, but we'll talk, find out your hair type, we'll figure it out, and I'll send it over to you. But unfortunately, it has to be within Canada and US. In Toronto, I will personally bring it to you myself. So let's just see the first person who guesses right, and we'll go from there. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, don't forget to do that. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!